Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Canon in D on guitar step by step. Start by tuning to standard pitch and learn the D, A, B, M, F#M, G, D, G, a progression slowly. Focus on clean chord transitions and a steady alternating bass note pattern. Practice the arpeggio pattern hands separately, then combine them. Use a metronome and increase tempo only when accuracy is solid. Begin by mastering each chord shape cleanly and slowly, ensuring every string rings without buzzing. Play through D, A, B, M, F#M, G, and the returning D and A shapes, checking finger placement for clarity. Swap to simplified shapes if bar chords cause tension, and gradually transition to fuller voicings. Keep hands relaxed and reset between changes to build speed and accuracy over time with focused repetition. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for portable music study and reading chord charts between practice sessions. Its adjustable light and long battery make breaks more pleasant. I thought it paired nicely with practice routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Work on the arpeggio pattern slowly, using your thumb for bass notes and fingers for higher strings, keeping a relaxed wrist. Count steady quarter notes while placing each arpeggio note precisely, and emphasize the first beat to shape the phrase. Gradually increase tempo in small increments, focusing on consistent tone and even volume across strings. Record yourself to catch timing or balance issues and correct them intentionally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.